Credit to the owner. No copyright infringements intended. The spiderweb. Ang sapot ng gagamba, ang bitag at patibong ng mga mapanira at salot ng lipunan. Itakwil ang salot na mapanglinlang na laging naninira sa kapurihan ng nakaupong pamahalaan upang ipahiya sa mga dayuhan. Itakwil ang huwad na maharlika na traidor sa bayan. Spiderweb. The Boldjack TV. Spiderweb. The Boldjack TV. Ang channel na naglalantad ng kaalaman. Spiderweb, sapot na bumibitag sa mga kalawang at salot na bumubulok sa pamahalaan. Huwag puro dada, kulang naman sa gawa.
Spiderweb, The Boldjack TV. Spiderweb, The Boldjack TV.
Kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, Spiderweb, The Boldjack TV, don't forget to subscribe, share and comment my videos. Don't forget to click the button, the notification bell. Disclaimer: all video clips, photos, music, and other works in this video are all copyright-free. Any similar works are just coincidences, and no copyright infringements intended.
And now our feature presentation. And now our feature presentation.
Mga banat ng paninira ni Maharlika Boldjack TV laban kay Philippines President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. at Liza Araneta Marcos. Sobra ng below the belt. Capfree shows malicious, obviously tarnishing, and degrading their honor and reputation. This is likewise a shameful mockery of the Philippines and the whole Filipino nation, tending to insult and trample the 31 million Filipino voters who voted for PBBM. Nakakabahala, nakakaalarma, embarrassing, disgusting, and disappointing. Nakakabahala, nakakaalarma, embarrassing, disgusting, and disappointing.
Credit to the owner. No copyright infringements intended. Credit to the owner. No copyright infringements intended.
Actually, pinatututukan ako ng mga yan. Presidential Communications. Lahat yata ng Department of Energy, Department of Defense, Department o PNP, lahat di ba tinututukan niya ako? Oh, enjoy my alindog today. So just enjoy my alindog every day. For what? Do you think? Inabangan niyo ako, baka may sasabihin ako na yung pototoy ni Kuting hindi na tumatayo, ano? Oh, totoo naman. Pag ting-ting, gumagano yan, ting-ting-ting-ting, tumatayo yan, ting-ting-ting. Pag kay Lisa, ganyan yan. Yung pototoy ni Kuting, ayaw. Pero pag nakita si ting-ting-ting-ting, straight kagad siguro gumaganon. Di ba? Putangin na nyo lahat. Mga taong gobyerno, mga yawa kayo. Anthony, Tonying, Taberna, Androsel, Taberna. Yan, dalawa kayo mag-asawa. Buong angka ninyo. 1 week, iserve ninyo, arestuhin nyo ako, meron pa kayong bonus galing sa akin 10 milyon. Pero pag hindi nyo ako na-aresto, bibigyan nyo ako ng 20 million. Okay? Kung hindi, magsumbong uli kayo sa kitay ni Lisa at saka putotoy ni Kuting na hindi na tumatayo. Bye. Mwah.